and there's another one of my lift tools, and what I've got for you today is a cool cone eco disc, orange indicator, which is nice, and it's at Chill Factor. Duh, duh, duh. Right, but anyway, let's take this lift. Dad? Dad?
Yeah.
Want to come with me and lift?
Yeah.
So, let's call it.
Ben, come on.
This is a lovely call
Ben.
factor.
Ben,
No, let's just leave him there.
Ben, we're going up.
Sorry, but that's my grumpy brother that my dad's talking about. So, then come on, go in. And let's press 1. There we go, stop. Sorry about that, that's just Ben. Literally, as I said, eco disc, powered by cone. Priority service switch. And there we go, at the top. Let's go back down. There we go. Let's go back down.
Ben, come on.
What's that then? 0, close, and let's go down. You can actually see yourself going down here. You see that? So that's it going down. Let's call it from the top.
No, stop your video now.
Okay, so apparently it's long enough, my dad said, so I'll see you next time for the next video of a lift. Duh, duh, duh. So about the duh, duh, duhs, by the way, I'm so sorry. So I think it's time to end this video looking at a lovely cone eco disc. So let's say bye-bye to this fella. And I'll see you in my next video. So bye.